Hi, ladies and gentlemen. A few weeks ago, I purchased this guy. This is the Holy Stone Bolt Bee. Um, I got it on sale for $24.99. It actually retails on Amazon at about $45.99. Um, this thing is really quick. It's really fast. It's I bought it as because I really wanted to kind of get into racing a little bit. It is definitely a racer. My problem with it, however, is it comes with two batteries. These little, as it says in the box, a modular battery. Um, the problem I'm having with this thing is as soon as I put it up in the air, the battery starts beeping in the controller to indicate low voltage. I mean, in less than a minute, it starts to beep. So where you could fly it a little bit and you're flying around with it, you're kind of afraid that it's just going to lose voltage and it's just going to die. Um, the prop guards were a kind of a joke. I had them on there for a minute, and then as you flew it, they kind of kept bending, and that was stopping the props and stuff. So it was going across. Um, I was really looking forward to buying a Holy Stone product. I've heard a lot of great things about Holy Stone, but I have to say, I'm not very impressed, and I'm not very happy with this product. I'm actually contemplating returning it, to be honest with you. Um, it if I paid full price for it, I've actually would probably be a lot more upset. I mean, I'm not going to say I'm a pro or anything. At this point, I'm probably a novice. Um, but I have a lot of other drones and a lot of other um, different types of drones, and I've never seen a drone or any type of where you pop it up in the air and like almost instantaneously it starts beeping to indicate low voltage. Um, Not at a $45 price point. Um, it's a fun flyer, and I do like flying it. It's fun, but you get maybe at best a couple minutes of flight time, and you get to buzz it around a little bit, and then it just starts beeping at you. And then you might push it a little bit. I think so far I've pushed it to about 5 minutes before it really kind of cocked out. Um, but so as soon as the battery charges here, I'm gonna take it outside and I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. All right, thank you. Hold on. Here I am outside with the Bolt Bee. I have not turned it on yet. Um, it's going across. Again, my problem with this thing seems to be that its battery is beeping, or the low voltage indicator is beeping in less than a minute after putting it up. Um, so yeah, I just want to kind of demonstrate that and see how long it's going to take here. I'm just going to put it up. I'm just going to put it up for a minute. Hold on. Turn it on. Okay. Okay, doing the click. All right, there it is. All right. So I'm going to try to just put it up. Not doing anything flying wise. Let's see. I'm just using one stick control right now, just letting it go forward a little bit. See if it starts beeping like right away. Okay, we're at about a minute. Not really doing anything aggressive with it though. See if I can make it do a flip. Nope. Because I have to record with one hand here. It's actually getting farther away from me here. Hold on. This battery's actually kind of Oh, there it is, right there. Alright, you can hear the low voltage. Alright, let's put down and see how much time I got. Yeah, about 3 minutes. So yeah, there we go. So yeah, so if I push it, I'm getting about 3 minutes of flight time out of it before the controller starts beeping. And I'm getting about 5 minutes if I just let it go and I try to push through the beeping. So 5-minute flight time for a $45 quad. Out of the other battery, I'm getting less. This thing goes off almost instantaneously. And, you know, again, a $45 marketed quad, and between the two batteries, 10 minutes at best. I mean, I guarantee you with this battery, I'm probably getting less. So I don't know if it's a problem with the batteries. It's a problem with the quad. If I have a bad one, if I have bad batch. But to pay $45 for a quad, it's very sporty, very fast, very agile. But it's literally 10 minutes worth of flight time between two batteries, if even. That's ridiculous for a $45 quad. So buyer beware. I'm gonna send this review to Holy Stone, see if they, if they have any kind of solutions. But it's absolutely ridiculous to pay $45 for a quad that you get maybe 10 minutes of flight time between two batteries. Absolutely ridiculous. That's just my opinion. All right, thank you. Thank you for watching. Talk to you guys later.